So mate, bit of time spent on this tonight. It's been interesting. So it's always sad when you see one of these one chips die. And as previous videos showed, that the graphics are corrupted. So I had a bit more look into it, and got the magnifying glass out and had a bit of an inspection. So it's a bit sorry to say, but yeah, I got it working for you, mate. How's that? Hey. So the issue with this system, I do have a question, mate. Was this working prior to one chip mod perform on it? I don't think, mate. I don't think there's anything if you had tested it, then okay, maybe something could have happened during the installation process. If you hadn't tested it, well, I believe there was a fault all along. Now, the fault being, it was quite not the easiest thing to fix, but hey, I am able to perform these things without too many dramas. There was some. No, this is not going to work. Maybe not. Maybe not. Anyway, around there was some broken traces. Two pins were broken. One of them, I was able to just remove the solder mask a bit and just bridge it. Cool and normal, that's good. The other one, I had to put a jumper wire, and there's still a bit of flux residue on there, so I had to actually clear the trace, and I used a fiberglass pen, and cleaned it up, used isopropyl alcohol, flux, and I put a little bit of wire to jump between the broken bit and the trace, the good trace. So as you can see and hear, it is working. Now that's good. Probably just going to charge a little bit extra for that, mate, just simply because it was a bit more complex to do than just the standard installation. So I'm going to put that trace fix at $8 if you're okay with that, mate. I would appreciate that. You know, I probably spent an extra hour evaluating and repairing that, so I wouldn't mind that. That'd be great. And you've seen the installation. Let's just show again. So we don't need to get a donor board. How good's that? So that's the installation, and it is good. In fact, let's just test to make sure we go through the different modes, okay? It's going to be a bit difficult to do because we don't have an LED and you've got the controller port at your place. So hopefully you're okay. Hopefully you're happy with that. I mean, getting a working one chip is always a good thing. So I'm just going to try and guess the modes. It's gonna not be the easiest thing. I want to run it in 50 Hertz. Hello, let's get 50 Hertz. Yeah, I'm not getting 50 Hertz. But then again, oh, that reset okay. Do I have a PAL game around? Let me just check. I think I do. Yeah, that'll do. Okay, let's see if a PAL game runs. So obviously we want a PAL game to run. Yep, cool. Huh. 50 Hertz, where are you? Why is it not changing? Maybe it's not ready just yet. Maybe there is some other issues here, but the good thing is we got rid of the graphical corruption. I'll just have a glance over how this is wired in. It should change, but I may have got a point here wrong. That's no biggie. It's working. Hey, I'm happy with that. That's progress. Thanks, mate. Bye.